Hello, YouTube world. This is Bent Uncle Productions, and today I'm going to be installing a Wi-Fi thermostat. Now, there's a few things that you're going to need. You're going to need a converter. This is a 120 to 24 volt converter, so it takes 120 volts and it converts it down to 24 volts. The reason why you need 24 volts is the thermostat here runs off a 24 volt system. Now, you can get a 12 volt step up that will help you to get to that voltage. So now you're going to need relays. These relays are, you have your 24 volts coming in that controls these relays. On this side here, you can have your 12 volts. So this here is a Wi-Fi relay. And the reason why I got this relay is because this thermostat, well, in a RV AC system, there is two fan settings. So there's your low fan and your high fan. Now, this here doesn't come with a low fan or high fan setting. It only comes with one fan setting. So with these relays, I'm going to actually make it into so I can control both. So I'll be able to control my heat or my AC through Wi-Fi anywhere in the world. This here will also give me the capabilities of turning on the high fan or low fan anywhere in the world. So because of my thermostat here crapped up, so now I'm going to be rewiring it so then that way I will be able to have that thermostat wirelessly controlled. So basically you got to figure out what wires are which for here, and then you got to figure out where you're going to install all this. For me, I'm going to be installing it down over in here. So these wires also go up to here, right? That control up here, as you can see. And then also these wires here, these white wires here control the furnace that's down below. So now with these wires here, one's a power feed of a 12 volts. The other one is the switch side of the furnace. This here, the yellow wire is usually compressor wire. The green wire and the green and gray wires are going to be your fans. And your blue wire is ground. So as you can see, red is controlling here. So I'm going to be taking this out. I'm going to have to solder some wires together to take this 12 volt system, run it down to there, and then bring it back up. And bring it back up and be able to control these things, be able to control this. So basically I'll be wiring in this. One side's going to be the 12 volt control, and then the other side's going to be the 24 volt control. So the 24 volts I'll be running up into here. It'll run up, have two wires coming in, which will be on this portion here, which is going to be your common and your R. Those two is your 24 volt power supply to the thermostat. Then that will come out as the yellow, white, green. These ones here are going to control your system. So these ones here will be running from here to the relays, and then the relays, it will control these relays, and then the relays will control the 12 volts, which in return will turn the system on. Now, I've also figured out a way that I'm going to be able to control the fan speeds with this. And this here will also, I figured out a way that if I really want full fan speed and I don't want to touch this relay, I just put this on full cold, and it will turn the high fan on, and it'll keep it on. And then when the RV hits cool, it will shut off. Then when it turns back on, it will turn back on with the low fan setting, so that way it'll keep everything cool, but it's still not generating the high output of the high fan. So that way it will work both ways. I will also be showing you that. So this is just an introduction video, and I will be having more to come. This is Bent Uncle Productions coming back at you. Bye-bye.